girl, it is time for you to cut those toenails. I don't wanna. Wild Rose Haven Homesteading. You need to cut those toenails. Let me look at them. No, let me look at them. Okay. Alright, I guess I better cut my toenails. Here, try this. Okay. Lucky for you, got it on Prime Day. Can't believe what I got for it though. What? This was such a good price. I just couldn't pass it up for you to try on those toenails. And seeing that you have the perfect example of toenails gone wild, let's see how they do. All right. Oh, they have a pair of pliers in here. Good Lord. I don't know if I need pliers. Ooh. Good gosh, those look dangerous. That's for the serious. Well, I guess this will be the perfect example right here. Let's see how they do. Nice comfy grip. And oh, score! I definitely got a touchdown with that one. Cool. Those work fantastic. Let's try this one. Regular size toenail clippers. Handy dandy little dangly bit, just in case you want to have it hanging off of your pant pocket, off a carabiner, because you never know when you need to cut those toenails. I'm not going to use those today, but it's nice. It's a good, cool set. Got pushers, cuticle nippers, scrapers. Feels well made. Nice handy dandy little grip here, so it doesn't slip out of your hand easily, in case you are doing it one-handed like I am, just like so. So we're going to cut this other one over here. Let's see how well it does. I know. Can't believe it let them grow out this long just for this. What? It's very nice. Very nice. Very clean. Huh. I like them. All right, check them out. Got them on Amazon. I will put the link down below. And yes, it was not as painful as I thought it was going to be. I actually really like these right here. These are pretty cool. For those of you that have a hard time gripping on these type of clippers here, and there isn't enough power and you have a little bit more of a tougher nail, these are awesome. Yeah, look at that. And it has a nice little easy curve on it, and they just snip really easily. Be careful not to hurt yourself though. The tips are very sharp, by the way. Just like that. Nice. Cool. All right. So they can get like down in the edge here too. If you want to get, if you have those toenails that kind of curl in to the side, inside of your toe like that, they actually have a little bit of a grab here, so you can get down on the sides here if you needed to with these as well, which is really nice. And that is the purpose of this whole video. Yeah. And why I ended up growing out my toenails as long as they did, because I wanted to show you how well they would work on extra long toenails that I will never grow out this long ever again. This is a one-time situation just for this review, and so far it all worked out well. This is a really nice kit. It was actually a really good deal that I bought it for on Amazon. It's one of those Amazon Prime Day deals, and you know what? It was completely worth the price that I bought it at. Honestly, the price that I ended up buying it for during the Prime Day deal, and I think it might have been a lightning deal at the same time, was the cost of one of these puppies. Yeah, by the time I got this, when I scored on it. So it was a really good deal. I will put the link down below. I don't know what the price is at the moment currently, but you know, if you want to wait for it and see if they actually come back up on a Prime Day deal at a price that's good for you, which was definitely under 10 bucks, definitely under 10 bucks when I purchased this particular kit, then you might want to wait then. Otherwise, if you can't wait and you're really happy with what I've shown you here, I tell you what, this is actually a really nice weight to it. I love the extra little grips on it here. That is a bonus. I don't know how long it's going to last, but it feels and looks pretty sturdy as well compared to what I've purchased in the past. These do kind of, I know somebody's like, oh, they look like dog nail clippers, and they kind of do look like dog nail clippers, or some really extra extreme pliers that you would find in your, you know, handy dandy tool box. But these guys are definitely on the more these guys are definitely on the, oh gosh, this is even heavy, sturdy list. They are sturdy. These feel well made. This feels heavy as well. It doesn't feel like any lightweight metal that's been used. Stainless steel. Here's a file right here. And it does have a little bit of weight to it. So these feel nice. They don't feel like they're a cheap metal or a cheap set at all. Even though the packaging that it came in did look a little, you know, hey, it was shipping friendly, so there you go. But they have pushers, scrapers, and files, so it's all ready to go for you if you're doing if you want to give yourself a nice long-term pedicure kit. This is a nice one that you can acquire for yourself to have at home. And besides the fact that it was a little bit hard to take off this cover for this nail clipper here with one hand, it's a nice set. So I'm not complaining about it. I will update you later if you want me to see how well it holds up over time. But honestly, it should do well because of the fact that it's in a case. So keep it in the case. It should hold up for you just fine. All right, y'all. So that was me having a little bit of fun with you on this toenail kit review. I know all the ways to do it. That's how I presented it. I can't explain what happened. All I can say is that my toenail started growing. My content I wasn't able to start recording anything because I was having some technical issues. So it just took a while for me to figure it out, apparently. And now that I was able to go ahead and do this review for you. And I know some of you might think, oh, that's just a little bit too much how I did it, or it might have been too silly for you. But you know what? I had a lot of fun, and I hope you had a lot of fun watching me be silly too. Just because sometimes you just have to just crack up for no apparent reason at somebody who's just being completely silly like I was. So, anyhow, please comment down below and let me know if you enjoy this type of video from us. And also, please subscribe and help our channel grow so we can continue to share this content with you, good or bad, funny or not funny, and be able to help you make decisions on things that you might be interested in having or need help with in figuring out how you can be able to make it or create it at your own homestead. And not only that, make sure that you find ways to take care of you, because if you don't take care of you, who's going to take care of your homestead? You know? All right. Okay, so I will see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace out. Y'all come back to Wild Rose Haven where we're doing it our selves.